Okay, so in this video we're going to continue to research our target market by using magazine media kits. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is first search for what might be a magazine. So we're going to search for Scrapbooking Magazine. And I've, of course, already been through these, so I know which one does have a media kit, which is actually creating keepsakes, which they didn't used to before, or at least it wasn't obvious to me before, but I did now see a magazine media kit there. So what we're going to do is you'll usually find it when you go to the website for the magazine. You'll usually find it at the bottom. You'll find a link to advertise. And we can see it's not in these links here, but down in the very bottom in the footer links, it actually does have an advertise link. So if we click that, it's then going to take us over to this page. And then if we now see this rather hidden link here, it says 2012 Media Kit. So now it's January. They put together their media kit to attract advertisers for their next year, for this year, 2012. So we go over here. I already have the media kit uploaded or loaded into the browser. And we can see the cover. It gives you a little bit of history about the magazine itself. It tells you about their different programs they have. And then it talks about the readership. So they have 186,000 readers. It's published 6 times a year. So it's bi-monthly or every 2 months. We can see that it confirmed as far as early 40s is their main target. They usually have, their audience usually have children. The average household income is about $80,000, so that matches kind of what we saw in the previous research as well. They've been scrapbooking for 8.5 years, intermittent skill. They use scrapbooks for a creative outlet, and they scrapbook between 11 and 13 hours a month. So that kind of gives you an indication as far as how involved the audience is within this hobby or different things like this. And they're interested in new products, organization, and photography. This also gives you some idea of other things that they might be interested in. So organization as far as maybe cabinets for their scrapbooking, for maybe in the photography area, maybe actions for Photoshop, if they're dealing with Photoshop, maybe cameras, maybe different training courses related to photography. So it gives you more ideas of different products to actually offer beyond the core product that you're going to bring them into your fan page or into your website community. And then it goes into display advertising. It also talks about their paper crafts magazine. So it's another one that they have 135,000. A little bit different age group, or a little bit younger crowd. The household income's a little bit less. But it also gets into much of the same information here in paper crafts. What we're interested in mostly is the readership profile. So we have 2 profiles within this media kit, one for the paper crafts magazine and one for creating keepsakes. And so this kind of reinforces the avatar or the customer profile that we have as we're trying to get into the mindset of the people that we're targeting with these Facebook ads. So hopefully that helps. This is how you use magazine media kits. You're looking for the reader profile within a given magazine. The best way to find magazines within your niche is to go to a bookstore like Barnes & Noble, look for a magazine within that niche, and actually look at what's being advertised in that magazine as well. It's a good way to actually find out what other products to offer your audience as well.